You have got to see this. This is so cool. I'm definitely going to put this on my top list of innovative ideas for the RV show. So take a look at this.
So, hello, I'm Christoph. I'm the founder of Silver Magnetic Systems. So we are from Germany, and so we have a fantastic magnetic stuff for you guys and solving such a problem. So with our smart magnetic system, so you can store the glasses upside down, and these are crystal glasses. Or you use porcelain in your mobile home and store them very carefully without any shorts. And I'll show you how it works. So the magnets are completely integrated in our boats, in our plates, in our glasses, completely integrated with a silicone ring, and they attract each other. And if you have bumpy rides, they hold them in place. And every single product we sell comes always with a counterpart. And the counterpart is always the metal mat with a nano gel. And the nanotechnology means the coaster is always removable, washable, leaves no residue and sticks to any sealed surface. In the middle you have a metal layer inside, and they attract each other with the magnets and holds them in place. And the cool thing is, so with the metal strip, so it's a permanent installation with a 3M glue, and with a massive metal layer inside, you can store them upside down. So it's always a game changer. It's so space efficiency, and you will love it in your camper or on the boat. And also, I told you, so we would like to recommend highly our new porcelain collection. So it's finest porcelain made in Germany, also with a silicone ring and with a magnet inside, and they hold them in place. How magic is that? And also, what we have in our assortment is the top seller for coffee machines, Nespresso, stuff like that. You put 4 magnets in the bottom, have 4 reusable pads, and they hold them in place. You avoid any movements for any machines and accessories you have on board. Also, very cool, is the unbreakable line, also with a magnet. Of course, the crystal glasses and porcelain. So you can decide which material you would like to have on board. So I think we have smart systems and smart problem-solving solutions with us. So we are brand new in the United States. So in Europe we are well known, but in the United States we are brand new. And Charlie came by, passed by, and stopped. Oh my God, never seen this before, Christoph. We have to talk. So take care of you and wish you all the best. And cheers, everybody.
One of the most innovative products that I really love is a rivet board. If you haven't heard about them, you need to hear about them. They're really cool. One thing I love is the fact that they have a USA map, which you put stickers on every time you travel, but you can also make those stickers personalized, which is even more fun. Let's go take a look at this.
So what I created was a way to level up the way that we actually collect our memory. They make a vinyl version of this. I wanted a way to have it removed. So of course we have kind of a classic names, and I designed what I'm calling landmarks, or a scene from each state. But that wasn't enough. So my wife was like, hey, can you make a way that we can upload a photo? So we did. So you can go to our website, you can upload a photo, and we'll actually mail you your own sticker in the shape of whatever state. And the app lets you pinch and zoom and rotate it, get it framed exactly how you want. And then right now we're shipping next day. So our adventure sticker is an additional cost to our map. It only fits on our map, but we think it's a super cool way to level up the way that we collect.
And how much do the maps cost?
So our maps are $75. They come in either black or white, and you get all of your stickers with it. The only additional cost is if you choose to do an adventure sticker.
And how can we find you online?
Say it one more time.
How can we buy them online?
You can visit us at rivetsupplyco.com. We're also on every social media under the same handle.
And tell me about your boards a little bit, real quick.
So our adventure board was designed to collect a sticker from anywhere. So it's designed to hang on your RV entry door. We call them Vista Original Adventure boards. We also have a Horizon Adventure board that works real great on those flip up like outdoor.
Do you have an RV with any kind of Lippert part? Because if you're like me, you probably have lots of Lippert parts. So we have a brand new factory service center, which I'm really excited about. She's going to tell us all about it, and it's in 3 different locations. So hopefully one near you.
All right, so we took a lot of our community's feedback. We wanted to give something to you guys to serve you better, so we opened up Lippert Factory Service. It's 3 locations across the country. We got one in Hemet, California, Red Bay, Alabama, and Howe, Indiana. And the one in Howe, Indiana, I think you guys are gonna like this, is we have multiple full hookup sites that you can bring your camper to, stay overnight, and that way you don't have to wake up at the crack of dawn to pull your RV in for service, repairs, maintenance, inspections, upgrades. We make a lot of the parts, right? So we want you to be able to come to us, the experts, the ones who create all the products, right? For the most part, all the products. And then you come to us and get service, repairs, upgrades, inspections directly from the experts. It's gonna be nice. Come see us.
So I'm Sean Avery Brown, and I am the Truck Experiences Manager at Ford Motor Company, and we're here at the Florida RV SuperShow teaching people how to tow. We realize that there's a lot of people here that already know how to tow. Some have been towing. I think someone told me that they've been towing for 50 years already. So we work with the novice tower, someone who may have recently made a purchase or looking to make a purchase of an RV or a truck, and we work with them on all towing techniques. We have a towing dictionary, we have a towing calculator, and we talk to them about towing in general. Safety is a big part of it. We have a lot of people who've had a life change, or we have women and others who want to be able to get out and enjoy the great outdoors, but they don't know where to start. And so our Towing 101 class encompasses a lot of information about those things that I mentioned. And after that, the participants have the opportunity to get in the vehicle, actually get in one of our trucks and trailers attached with a CDL instructor that will show them some backing up and hitching techniques, how to do it manually and how to do it with our technology, our feature technology, which is our 4-trailer backup hitch and our 4-trailer backup assist. So there's backing up, and then there's hitching, and that's the button that everybody talks about in their Ford vehicle that they have confusion about how to use, right? And so they can watch that CDL instructor for about 30 minutes and get some great tips and ideas on how they can execute in their Ford. And then if they really want to continue the experience, these are the hands-on experiences. So they actually can get hands-on experience with us here at the show, where they have an opportunity to get behind the wheel and do it for themselves with the CDL instructor right next to them. So again, using that technology and practicing both manual and with the tech. And then finally, if they want to push to our ultimate towing experience, they get the opportunity to get out on the road with that same CDL instructor. We take them out on a course and actually put them out on the open road and give them tips about U-turns, left turns, right turns, stops. There's all kinds of really cool things that they get to practice. The full ultimate experience lasts about 3 hours. However, we do like to work with the participants on what they really want to focus on to make sure that they're road ready and that they can enjoy their Ford truck and their new RV.
So as a Ford owner, oh my gosh, I love this. I'm so excited. So if you've never towed, because I'm not a very experienced tower, I think this is a fantastic idea, ladies and gentlemen. You guys should look this up. They're going to be at lots of events this year, and I'll put some information in the comments below.
Thank you.